Good morning. The next article is Boolean operations. We know the conventional algebra where the operations are addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, square root, square, etc. etc. Many operations are. Boolean algebra is different from the conventional algebra. It is known as Boolean algebra because Jars believe the scientist George Boole developed this algebra. This algebra is logical algebra. Logical algebra, logic is used in this algebra. Positive logic, negative logic. I already told you about positive logic and negative logic. Here we are going to consider only positive logic when we talk about Boolean operations in Boolean algebra. As I told, George Boole, the scientist, he developed this algebra, and so in his honor we call this algebra as Boolean algebra. Operations performed in Boolean algebra are known as Boolean operations. Operations performed in Boolean algebra are known as Boolean operations. Basically, there are three types of Boolean operations. We know whenever we carry out an operation, operator is needed. Without an operator, any operation could not be done. To do addition, the operator needed is plus sign, plus symbol. To do subtraction, the operator needed is minus symbol, negative sign. To do division, we need the division operator. To do multiplication, we need the multiplication operator. Let us talk about the three basic operations in Boolean algebra. These operations are OR operation, AND operation, NOT operation. Basic Boolean operations are OR operation, AND operation, NOT operation. Combination of these operations are also there. NOR, not OR, NAND, not AND, XOR, XNOR. These are not basic operations. These are combinations of these operations. To perform OR operation, we need OR operator. This is OR operator. To perform AND operation, we need this as AND operator or no symbol at all. Either use this dot symbol as AND operator or don't use any symbol at all. To do NOT operation, the symbol we have to use is bar. Let us suppose that you are given two inputs. Input A, input Input A is 1 0 1, input B is 1 1 1. You are asked to perform OR operation of this A and B. How you will perform? 1 0 1 1 1 1. Perform the OR operation, not addition, remember. OR operation. 1 or 1 1, 0 or 1 1, 1 or 1 1. So A or B here is 1 1 1. A or B here is 1 1 1. You can have any other example. 0 1, 0 or 1 1, 1 1 0 0, 1 or 0 1, 1 or 0 1. This way, whenever we are given any input data for A, for B, I have taken only 2 variables. You can have 3 variables, 4 variables, etc. etc. And you can perform the OR operation with the help of this OR operator. Then AND operation. Input A is 1 1 0, input B is 1 1 1. Perform the AND operation. A and B, that is simply A B is equal to 1 and 0 0, 1 and 1 1, 1 and 1 1. We can take any other example and perform this AND operation with the help of the AND operator. NOT operation. If you are given A is equal to 0 and you are asked to find A bar, that will be 0 bar and 0 bar is 1. So, NOT operator is used to get inversion of, NOT operator is used to get inversion of the given input data. If you are given A is equal to 1, A bar will be equal to 1 bar, that will be equal to 0. This is the NOT operation. Okay. So these are the basic Boolean operations. OR operation, AND operation, NOT operation. These are basic Boolean operations, and the operators used for these are, this operator is used for OR operation, this operator or no symbol at all is used for AND operation, this operator, that is bar, is used for NOT operation. This is about Boolean operations. Very, very simple. Already we talked about these things while discussing the OR gate, the AND gate and the NOT gate. The working, the functioning of this gate itself is used as Boolean operations in Boolean algebra, and therefore these are the operators for these Boolean operations. So this is about Boolean operations. The next article is Boolean expressions for 2 input, 3 input, 4 input. Boolean expressions or equations. Boolean expressions or equations for 2 input, 3 input, 4 input, etc. We can go for more number of inputs. For your syllabus, you are asked to study Boolean expressions or Boolean equations for 2 inputs, 3 inputs, 4 inputs. Let us first consider 2 inputs. input A, input B, possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, if you are asked to write operation, if you are asked to write the expression for OR operation, y will be equal to A or B, and for these input conditions, here y will be 0, here 1, here 1, here 1. If you are asked to perform AND operation for these two inputs, we will have the given equation y is equal to A and B, and inputs will be 0, 0, the outputs, corresponding outputs will be 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Even you may be asked to perform the NOR operation, then the equation for this will be A or B whole bar. Corresponding outputs will be 0 nor 0, 1, 0 nor 1, 0, 1 nor 0, 0, 1 nor 1, 0. You may be asked to perform the operation NAND operation. AB whole bar. The expression is y is equal to AB whole bar, and for these input conditions, the possible output will be 0 and 0, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0. These are the simple expressions for two inputs, or expression for OR of two inputs, expression for ANDing of two inputs, expression for NOR of two inputs, expression for NAND of two inputs. I may go for XOR, XNOR, etc. As of two inputs, if you are given three inputs, A, B, C, the possible input combinations will be this will be A or B or C. This will be A and B and C. This will be A or B or C whole bar. This will be A and B and C whole bar. This is Boolean expressions for ORing of three input. This is AND operation for three inputs. This is NOR operation for three inputs. This is NAND operation for three inputs. So this is Boolean expression for ORing of three inputs. This is Boolean expression for ANDing of three inputs. This is Boolean expression for NOR of three inputs. This is Boolean expression for NAND of three inputs. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 or 0, 1, 0, 1 or 1, 1, 1 or 0, 0, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1, 1 or 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 1 or 1, 1. Here 0 and 0 and 0, 0, 0 and 0 and 1, 0, 0 and 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1 and 1, 0, 1 and 0 and 0, 0, 1 and 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 1 and 0, 0, 1 and 1 and 1, 1. Here A nor B nor C is 1. A nor B nor C 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, the same thing. 1, A NAND B NAND C is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 500. So, this is Boolean expression for ORing of 3 variables. This is Boolean expression for ANDing of 3 variables. This is Boolean expression for NOR of 3 variables or 3 inputs. This is Boolean expression for NAND of 3 inputs. For 4, it is very simple. Add one more input here. Continue till 16 combinations. It will be A or B or C or D. It will be A and B and C and D. It will be A nor B nor C nor D. It will be A NAND B NAND C NAND D. And you can have the corresponding outputs. So this is expression for ORing of 4 inputs. This is expression for ANDing of 4 inputs. This is expression for NOR of 4 inputs. This is expression for NAND of 4 inputs. This way we can write the expressions, Boolean expressions, Boolean equations. We can write Boolean expressions or Boolean equations for 2 inputs, 3 inputs, 4 inputs, 5 inputs, 6 inputs and so on. These expressions are very simple. This is specifying only OR operation. This is specifying only AND operation. This is specifying only NOR operation. This is specifying only NAND operation. There may be mixing of these. There also we can write the Boolean equations, Boolean operations, Boolean expressions or Boolean equations for 2 inputs, 3 inputs, 4 inputs, 5 inputs, etc. etc. This is about Boolean expressions for 2 inputs, 3 inputs and 4 inputs. Hope you got it. Thank you.